Anefi, and you are welcome to my Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at a situation where we unhide our sheets and we want to unhide it and a sheet. So all the sheets within will be selected, then we right click, then we hide. You see that all these sheets will be hidden. Now to unhide it, you go to the sheet which is visible. That's why you have the sheet name. You go to unhide. Now on hide, you will see that you have all the sheets hidden in there. In most instances we want to unhide all, but at this point we don't have that luxury to really unhide it. What it means is that we can just do it one by one. So unhide, then have to go back one by one, unhide. But that's the solution we want to provide, where you can unhide all the sheets at just a click. So to do that, assuming this is the sheets we have, sheet 1 to sheet 7, we can go to view, go to custom view, and create a structure for this. Note that under the custom view, it gives us a picture of the current Excel format you have. So we go to add, then we name our sheets and call it, let's say, all sheets. Let's name it all sheets. Then we click on OK, which means it will include in view the print settings and the hidden rows and columns and filter settings. Then we click on OK. Now we can then hide sheet 2 to sheet 7. So that we select sheet 2, press on the shift key, now select sheet 7. So sheet 2 to sheet 7 is selected. Then we go back, right click, then we hide. Now to unhide all these sheets, remember that in the first instance we have to unhide it one by one, and that's by default. Now to unhide all at once, we just go to the custom view. Now we have all the sheets in there and we say show. You see that at once automatically we have all the sheets showing here without going through the hassle of the first instance where you have to unhide each sheet. This is how smart you can unhide all sheets with just a click. Thank you.